Now, if you are a bit more, analytical, data savvy, and you want to go deeper, you can use exploration to create your exploration. Exploration, generally, one of the questions was, which exploration should I look at? There is no right or wrong answer or one answer for everybody, because everybody's business is different. As long as you understand that dimension and metrics concept, all those dimensions are going to show up here and metrics are going to show up under here. You have to click on plus sign. You can pick any dimension that you want. If I want to look at a particular link click, link text, etc., let's see if I have any link text that people are clicking on, and link URL, then I can bring them here. And let's say I just want to know how many times, and that's event count. So how many times a particular link was clicked. Then I can go drop these links or whatever information I want. You can drag your dimensions and then metrics into value column. And then you can get the reporting for that. So you can see skip to content, this registered link URL parameter as a custom dimension. How many clicks did it get? 50 things about GA4. How many clicks did it get, etc. So these are all the links that I'm tracking or taking users outside. So you can track internal links, external links by passing parameters in GA4. Any kind of other classification that you want as well, you can pass those and then do a count. So really it depends on how you view your data, what kind of content makes sense. You can do that. There is no, Explore is not for reporting. Keep that in mind. Explore is for exploration. Generally, you will do free form exploration. This is what it is. Drop, drag and drop. However, you can also look at funnel exploration to see various steps in the funnel. So in this example, I don't have it, but in the purchase example, might have it in a different account. Let's see. I think I can find one here. In a demo account. A funnel exploration allows you to see step-by-step conversion. So e-commerce, or whether it's non-e-commerce, user comes here, does step 1, step 2, step 3, and so on. So first open, visit, is it an organic visitor or not, session start, purchase. So you can see where users are dropping off from. Any event can be used as a step in a conversion here. So that's one. If you are data savvy, I would say go do this, not for reporting purposes. You can do for reporting purposes. That's what a lot of people have started to do. But for reporting, what you need is Data Studio. And those who want a free ebook, there is a 50 things you should know about GA4 ebook. Here is a link for that, bit.ly.com/GA4 ebook. And those who want to learn with me, go deeper. I have a full academy on Optizent Academy. You can also get $100 off for this today with this webinar.